What is the newest attraction of Manila Zoo? A baby lioness. The lioness named Isla was given to the zoo by the Manila Achievers Lions Club. We might have to wait for Isla's roar though. Manila Zoo said the lioness is not going to be displayed to the public in the meantime because they are still raising her to grow and get stronger.
Cute naman, pero wawa naman.
No, kasi most
hindi
of-
ko type yung mga
No,
animals. Alam ko, di ba, lagi natin pinag-uusapan
Yeah,
yan.
kasi alam mo, there are a number of, for example, yung nangyari sa eagle natin, nung na-release, di ba, hindi pa ready, namatay. So sometimes there are animals...
It's not that the eagle wasn't ready, pero yung
He was confused dahil sa
weather.
bagyo. Yeah, but if he were the one older eagle, kasi junior eagle pa siya eh. If he were an older one, mas nagko-cope siguro daw siya sa weather and disorient si eagle. But what I'm saying is it has also been proven that there are some animals who are not capable to adjust. They lack the instinct to adapt to the wild. Yung mamamatay na lang sila. If you want that to happen, the natural course of pwede naman. But ang saying natin, there are some species na you want to save. Diba? So you breed them in captivity pero yung mga zoo naman ngayon magaganda na eh.
Especially yan sa Manila Zoo, di ba, inayos nila,
Oo, ang
nirenovate nila.
ganda-ganda.
But if you can remember, during the pandemic, ang papayat ng mga animals na tumingi
Kawawa.
sila ng tulong.
Walang budget kasi
Diba?
at that time, no?
At that time,
Oo.
walang budget. Tapos, recently lang, merong nag-viral na saan ba yun? Kung ma-check natin, yung isang lion na pagod. Tapos,
Ay, kay Chavit.
ginugulpe.
Kay Chavit.
Ayun,
Hindi naman ginugulpe.
parang pinapalo. Or
Hindi naman. Chinek yung video ni Chavit
Oo.
and nakita ko rin yung video. Hindi naman ginugulpe. Parang pinipilit lang gisingin yung
Oo, tapos
kinikilit
parang
eh.
tinatry daw kasi parang
Anyway, napalayas.
suntukin
Hindi naman nakita ng video. I saw the video and even Chavit was interviewed about it. Sa Baluarte yun eh. That's his,
Sa Ilocos.
Yeah, that's his alaga, that's his lion. So, pinalayas na niya yung gumawa nun at sabi niya, wag pilitin daw magtrabaho yung animal kung ayaw, pahingayin. Kasi ang bata gusto mag-selfie daw with the lion, pero yung lion, sabog sa antok. So, ganun. Tapos
Saka pagod. Pagod siya.
Ginigising. No, na-rectify naman ni Manong Chavit Singson. So, it was featured yesterday. I saw that naman.
Okay.